Hey guys, I am rocking a blue bob again. I just love blue and purple hair on my dark skin. I don't know what it is, I just feel like they look good on dark skin. Anyway, this unit is from RPGSHOW and I will have all the information about the sponsorship and the products that I'm using, even the ones that are not related to the wig, in the description box. And I'm always excited to see what's in the box, starting with this flyaway tamer. Obviously it's supposed to control flyaways, and they also have a magazine which I thought was really cool, and wig caps, brown for people like me, as well as an elastic band that I will not be using because the wig actually fits. So this is what the wig comes in, and I love anything that helps me with storage because I like my wigs to be kept a certain way whenever I'm not using them. So I'm gonna unzip. It's like a mini garment bag, and this is the information. It's all going to be in the description box along with the coupons, because this hair is kind of pricey and they do have coupons for you guys. And I'm trying to be mindful of what I put on my channel because I am trying to consider your budgets. I am going to show you guys what the wig looks like. First of all, they did a good job on the middle part because that's one less thing I have to do. You guys know I'm lazy. You know I cater to the lazy people. So this is not even a myth. So this shouldn't even come as a surprise unless you're not subscribed to this channel, in which case you should go ahead and subscribe so you can find out firsthand for yourself. Anyway, there is a comb in the back along with some lace. There is also a comb on the side. I'm gonna turn again, and you can see the deep parting behind the part. So there's a lot of parting space right here. And then the comb on the other side. I don't even know what I was looking at. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace first before I put the wig on. And really you should pluck your units. They pluck the wig a little bit, but you really should pluck your units a little bit more to suit your hairline. I got a chance to try out this wig band, and I thought it was really cool because it actually works. It actually grips the wig. So that's what I'm using in place of an elastic band. It's just a lot easier. It's a lazier route. You don't have to sew a band on, but you still have that security. So after doing all that, this is what the wig looks like. It's a very nice length. I think it's 14 inches, this one. And I'm gonna clip my hair back so I can secure the unit. And I'm just securing the flaps on my sideburns. I'm not securing anything else. I'm not doing that today. I'm too lazy for all that. And I'm using my Got to Be Glued gel along with the Got to Be Glued spray. And the spray just helps the gel dry faster. So that's why I use the two of them together. And then I put the flap down on my sideburns and secure it with a comb. Use my fingers, really make sure it's on there before I go in with the blow dryer. And this will keep the wig in place. I won't need to do anything else after I do this. So this is my lazy method, basically. Just take care of the bare minimum because I'm trying to do the absolute least. And of course I am applying powder to my part to make it look more natural. And I am also applying powder along the hairline because I didn't put any on the actual cap like I usually do. Trust me when I say I am trying to do the least. No stocking caps, no elastic bands, none of that. Just what I need to do to secure the unit and be ready to go, because not everybody has that kind of time or patience, you know? Sometimes you just want to do a little bit less than normal but still have pretty decent results. The wig looks pretty good. All I need really is to pluck it, but I'm not doing that because, again, I'm lazy. This is terrible, don't be like me. But I am going to go in with a hot comb, and this is because my intention was to wear a middle part in the beginning, but somehow I just settled for a side part, though I don't mind playing with the idea of doing a middle part later on. So let's just go ahead and do what I did, which is pin my hair up so I could curl it and get those waves, because this is supposed to be a wavy unit. And I just clip 2 in the front, 2 in the back, 4 sections in total, and I will bump the back first then curl the rest of the hair going towards the back. The very back will be straightish and then the rest will be curled, and it just looks better to me that way. I don't know, that's just how I feel. And of course, every time I curl, I make sure I tension and make sure everything is nice, because how it is when you put it on that curling iron is how it's gonna come out when you take the curling iron off. And of course, shake it out so I don't burn, and move on to the next section. Usually I wait about 20 seconds for the hair to curl so I can get some kind of curl. And this is what it's looking like. Very soft, pretty curls, perfect bob. And this would be great, especially for those of you who don't like color. This length and style is one of those low maintenance looks. And you can definitely do this with black hair or brown hair or whatever, you know, just 14 inches, low maintenance. But I did opt for a side part because I wanted to see how it was going to look. And I combed it to the side first. And then I went ahead and it looked pretty good like this. So I went ahead and used the hot comb to conceal the middle part a little bit at least. And then I went on to define the side part just a little bit, though I don't think I filmed myself doing that. I don't know why, but I didn't. I was being experimental, that's probably why. But I did curl my hair again on the side because I did have a part that was a little too straight for me. So I decided to go back in with my curling iron and fix that, so that I could have a little bit more volume on the side and just a little slight curl, that's all. Much better. So I wasn't satisfied with that despite it looking good now. I don't know why I do this. I'm never satisfied. It's like I always want to change something. I should have left it just like this. It was gonna be just fine. So don't be like me, but I will show you what I did. And what I did was I cut the side. I wanted an asymmetrical look, and I like how bouncy the hair is. They do advertise it as silky, but to me it doesn't feel silky. It feels more yaki-like. If anybody else has tried this unit, definitely let us know in the comments section, but it felt just a little bit yaki to me, not so much silky. And I'm gonna cut it again because I wasn't satisfied with that either. I cut a bob, and I did kind of like this bob, so I'm gonna see how it works out. It looked cute in pictures, it really did. I do like it, I do regret cutting it, but you guys let me know if you prefer a longer bob or a short bob. Thank you so much for watching, as always, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye!